Merits, as spoken by the Buddha, is different than karma. Karma is action we create that end in action within samsara. Merits, because in Tibetan we have the le dan sonam. Le dan sonam kagares. Le is karma. Sonam is merit. So in the text, it mentions a differentiation between that. Merit and karma. Karma is actions that we do that help us or that creates or makes us stay within samsara to receive positive and negative results. Whereas merits is action created that crystallizes into resulting in full Buddhahood. So therefore, what is the differentiation between merit and karma? One keeps you in samsara, one takes you out of samsara. What is the differentiating factor of karma and merit? Motivation. If the motivation is for sentient beings' benefit, then whatever actions we do will result in merit. If our motivation is for ourselves, or selfish motivation, then whatever action we do becomes karma. For example, if we go to a Buddhist center to learn so that we can look good, we can be a scholar, we can be praised, we can have some ego boosting, or that whatever we learn, when we talk, people will praise us and think good things about us, then going to a Dharma center becomes an action that creates karma. Why? Because the motivation is ego. Whereas if we go to a Buddhist center to learn, to understand, to share, so that we can apply that knowledge to ourselves in order to overcome the selfish mind, overcome the egotistical mind, overcome anger, overcome jealousy, overcome attachment and desire, then going to a Dharma center and the result of it becomes merit. So therefore, merit will never run out till we become a fully enlightened, awakened being or a Buddha. Whereas karma will run out. Karma can run out. Example, if we put a candle in front of the Buddha and we pray that we can become wealthy, then that action is not Dharma. Although it looks like Dharma, although it appears to be Dharma, and to one who does not know the Dharma, it looks like Dharma, but it is not. Why? The motivation is wrong. If we put a candle and light it in front of a Buddha, and we pray for illumination, we pray for enlightenment, and we pray that we may become a compassionate, aware, omniscient being like the Buddha, then that offering of the candle becomes Dharma action. Then that candle offering becomes merit, which will propel us to become a fully enlightened being, whereas the first person who offered the candle will become karma, which in the future they will gain some kind of material benefits from making offerings to the Buddha. But once the material benefit is acquired, then the karma is finished. Karma is completely finished. So therefore, some people are born into a good situation. Their fathers and their mothers take care of them. They give them good education. They don't let them do housework. They don't let them suffer. They don't let them work. They take care of everything for their child. But in Buddhism, we don't consider that good or bad karma. It's neutral. Why? If the child grows up to be something beneficial, a good person, a kind heart, and honest and straightforward, then his parents or her parents taking care of the child is a result of the child's good karma. But if the child grows up to be someone that is dishonest, or hurts people, or lies and cheats and damages and disappoints and becomes a menace to society, then that child's upbringing is a result of negative karma. So therefore, in Buddhism, we don't look at the action as so much as the result. Why? The result resembles the action. The result resembles action.